I'm Heidi Marshall. I'm from Savannah, Georgia, and I am a wildlife ecology major. So I was studying drought tolerance in bottomland hardwood forests by measuring cuticular conductance in 20 different tree species. We studied this by looking at minimum conductance, which is the lowest amount of water lost while plants are trying to conserve water. We discovered that the trees we studied do not use minimum conductance as a drought tolerance mechanism, and we compared their minimum conductance averages to the global averages and found out that they are very similar. And this suggests that they will likely survive a drought through conserving water in a different way. So my day-to-day work looked like some days we would go out into the field and we would cut down branches in order to bring the leaves back to the lab and prep them for measurements. On measurement days, I would do the spectroradiometer and then I would tape up leaves, and then my day was spent watching the leaves dry out in order to measure their water loss. The stomata occur on the underside of the leaf, and then the cuticle is on this side of the leaf. So during drought, some plants will close their stomata, but water loss will still occur through the cuticle. So when we did our process, we taped the bottom of the leaf and left a certain area on the top part of the leaf and then measured it throughout the day. This device, it basically shines light onto the leaf and it reflects back. And so it measures the leaf's reflectance. And then it gives us these graphs, and they look like little waves, and each point is a different reflectance number. We use this because it's known to measure other things. So within our research, we found out that it can measure leaf water content, but it cannot measure minimum conductance because we found that it was an individual trait to other leaf physiological traits. Dr. Wolf's very helpful. He was always there whenever I had any questions or curiosities about what I was doing, which is great because I'm a very curious person. Being involved with undergraduate research has greatly improved my resume. It gives me more of a competitive edge, and getting to talk about my projects and all the things that I learned doing in my project really has benefited me. If you're interested in undergraduate research, I would suggest emailing your professors from your favorite classes that talk about topics that you're really interested in and seeing if they have any opportunities or know of anyone with any opportunities.